Hello everyone, welcome back to the 101 Library. Today, we're diving into making line plots in Google Sheets. Making line plots in Google Sheets can be quite unfamiliar for people used to other programs such as Excel. So, let's simplify this and get started. First, let's set our data on Google Sheets. For this tutorial, we will be using a simple example of monthly sales data. You have to have your data entered in columns, one for the x-axis intervals, like months, and one for the y-axis values, like sales figures or profit. Once your data is ready, it's time to create a line plot. To do so, go to Insert, click on Charts, and this will add an empty chart. Double-click on this chart, and this will open the chart editor. First, you have to specify the data to be plotted. Click on Select Data Range and select all your data. Click on OK and your data is added. Now we have to choose a chart type. In this case, the line chart is chosen. You have a lot of other charts and plot options that you can choose from. I'll leave it as line chart. Now we have to choose our x-axis. Click on Add x-axis and I will be choosing month. After that, we will have to be choosing our y-axis. We could choose that under series. Click on Add Series and I will be plotting the sales. And as you can see, our line plot is starting to form. You could also add other series. If you click on Add Series again, you could choose to add the profits. And this way you'll have two different lines. I will remove the sales for now. Make sure that Use Row 1 as headers is checked if your row 1 includes the headers for your data. Also, make sure Use Column A as labels is checked if you're planning to use Column A as the x-axis label. Next, let's customize our plot to add some feature like trends, error bars, and enhance its appearance. Click on Customize, and you will have a lot of options. Let's start with the chart style. You can choose to change your background color of the plot. For instance, I'll choose pink. You could also choose to change the chart border colors. I'll keep it as it is. You can choose to smoothen your lines, maximize your view, and other options. I'll skip for now. Additionally, you can choose your chart and axis titles. For instance, for the chart title, it's preset as sales and profits. I'll leave it as that. You could choose to rename all the other ones over here by clicking on the drop down menu and choosing what you want to change. You could also choose to add a legend, customize your horizontal axis, vertical axis, and grid lines and text. I'll leave these to you to run through and discover. To add error bars and trends, we have to click on the Series tab, and over here you could customize your line format, color, line type, and others. To add error bars, simply click on Error Bars here, and you could choose your error bars to be a percent, a constant value, or a standard deviation value. I'll leave it as a percent. You could also choose to add data labels, and you can choose to add a trend line. For the trend line, you could choose your trend line type to be linear, exponential, or others. And you could choose data label. In this case, you can choose to use an equation, and the chart will display your fit equation. You could also show the R-squared value, which represents the accuracy of your equation. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.